you're looking in a plasmatic condition. You're not looking in matter state condition. In a plasmatic condition, what happened in the upper atmosphere? You have a CO2. What is going to happen? You have a communication line. Carbon always is line of communication because of the orientation of the element of the plasma. In a way, it keeps contact in a common denominator in an animal life, in a living life. Have a look what it does. Don't forget, the plasma works this way. Don't look at it as an atomic structure. Look what happened in the upper layer of the atmosphere. Through the interaction of the gravitational magnetic field of the Earth and the Sun, nitrogen is created continuously. You have residuals, you have reductions. Reductions gives you carbon, residual addition gives you oxygen. Any leftover bits becomes hydrogen. Look at the structure of the plant. The process inside human body or whatever. How do you absorb, how do you balance the nitrogen or amino acid which consume? This oxygen in magnetic gravitational field needs a balancer. Plasma, 2 hydrogen and a nitrogen. What is left is the energy of hydrogen becomes part of the structure of the energy of the planet. Everything else behaves as a plasma. Don't forget, this balances with this. You look in this structure, you don't look in this structure. You got to understand very, very easy process in the life of this planet. I explain it to you in a different way that you understand it in a much easier way. We're talking only in a plasma state. Presence of, don't forget, when the rain comes, when the water comes, with it brings the nitrogen. That's why you add nitrogen to the plant. You have a plasma conversion. You have free energy. The nitrogen you add is not the energy you give. You add an element to lock, turn, in a way open up, attract, lock into the amino acid which the plant has taken. This is the missing link in the structure. The nitrogen is not a fertilizer. You don't give. You add nitrogen in conjunction with the water. You put as much nitrogen as you like, but starve the plant from water. Nothing will happen. Because it needs this process to allow the release of the hydrogen in the presence of water inside. This CO2 not only brings the food, but it locks it till it's digested. This is the locking system. I bring you, but I hold on to you till I eat you, till I consume your energy. You add nitrogen to lock with the nitrogen in the plasma balance. Trinity of the same. What is left with you is extra hydrogen. You release. This a way. If you find a way to lock the nitrogen out of the environment of the plant once you use it, that's all it needs. Because it's the weakest. You can do anything you like with it. You add as many hydrogens as you like in a plasma state. You have oxygen. You have calcium, you have whatever. The process, and they make equations and everything else. Nitrogen, when it's added, is in a matter state. But what enters the environment of the plant is in a Ganser state. It doesn't behave as a matter state anymore.